Is it possible to buy a fantastic home in the heart of Nanaimo that comes with its own park? It is. Hey, it's Ian Thompson with RE/MAX here on Vancouver Island at a great new listing in Rocky Point. It's on Logan's Run. The home is in immaculate condition. You won't believe how good it looks. And here is your home park in the backyard. What an opportunity. Well, let's have a look inside. You know, lots of times when we're out showing houses to buyers, we open the door and people go, oh, nobody really did much effort into getting the home ready to show. Here on Logan's Run, you'll be impressed by the effort and time the owners have put into showcasing their home. I mean, the counters are immaculate. The floors are beautiful. Really solid wood floors, only a couple of years old. And wait till you see the primary bathroom upstairs. The renovation is amazing. You'll love living here. Let's have a look. One of the things I like best about this home is this great cabin at the back of the property. It's set far back. Could be a great yoga studio, it could be an art studio, or hey, could be a place to sit right here and relax at the end of the day. So let's recap. It's an immaculate home with 3 bedrooms, beautiful hardwood floors, and that great southern exposure, along with a park-like setting in the backyard. It's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Call your agent today to book a showing at this wonderful opportunity on Logan's Run.